Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to sketch a fashion pose in 1 minute without taking your pencil off from the paper. So these are some of the poses that I'm going to draw with you, and if you are going to join me now and do sketching with me, so all you need is only a pencil and a rubber. So just to have more space to show you the drawing and the photos at the same time, I'm going to cut them and then I'll do them one by one. I'm going to do this one first of all. Let's get started. So I'm checking the time. Perfect. So as always, I draw a line. First of all, let's get started. But don't be scared of... Oh, I already did take my pencil off from the paper. So the challenge is not to do it. So this is a first thing that everyone learn when they are doing fashion, or sometimes in graphic design, or some lessons, private lessons, they teach this kind of stuff as well. So never be scared of going back again, and don't feel embarrassed about all this messy line, because the thing is to show the sketch without taking off your hands. I'm gonna check the time. Done. I'm not sure if I've done it in 1 minute, so I'll check it after. So the first one's done. I know it's not the exact thing, but the thing is, when someone look at it, so they will see the pose, so you can basically understand this is the front of the body. Head, arms are visible, and also the legs are basic shown. And if you have more time, then after you can give it more details, so you can draw your garments on it, could be same one or whatever you would like to have. So just to save some time, or maybe to cheat, I'll draw the other two lines now. I'm not using ruler, so I'm trying to draw fast a straight line by hand. So let's draw this one in the corner and this one in the middle, as it needs some more space. So shall we get started now? So squeak as I can, and then the hand is above the head, so shoulder, elbow, and this. I have 20 seconds left, so I should be more quick now. So this leg is straight like this. 5 seconds and done. So look at this and look at that. I know. So in 1 minute, this is the best I could do. And if you are going to learn how to do fashion sketching, or you are going to be fashion designer, it's good to learn how to sketch a pose as quick as you can. Or sometimes maybe you have an idea in your head, so you have to basically bring it to the paper as quick as possible. So it's better to quickly sketch a body, and after you have time to draw your garments on it. And sometimes you don't even have to have a silhouette, so you can basically only draw the garments in your what's the idea that you have. But this is easy drawing that's good for all beginners and intermediate. I'm hoping you're enjoying it. And the next one I'm gonna do is this one. So let's get started now. So you see, I'm not scaring of any lines, and I'm not even picking up my pencil. So I know it's kind of hard sometimes, but I'm trying my best to not do it. So this leg is kind of bended like that, so I don't see shoes and everything, but I can imagine how it's positioned. 3 seconds and done. So this is the last one, so this is the best I could show that in 1 minute. Then now we have all 3 of them done in 3 minutes actually. And so this is how basic you can start sketching without even having skills. Everyone can start and try the easiest way you can, and after you will see how you're getting developed and you're getting better day after day. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestion for the next video, please let me know in the comment, as I really like to do what you guys like to watch. So thanks for watching again, and see you in next video. Bye.